Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online, tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade. Hey, let's talk about a trade that we had at the GrokStar Room this morning on FireEye, F-E-Y-E. Why, it dropped 10% in opening, and then it proceeded to fall down here. It then was doing a bear pullback here. So since this was the low of day, I want to set an order just below that low of day and said let's go short if it does there. If you want to know more about a pullback sell, also known as a bear pullback, just go to freeonline tradingeducation.com to our free chart school. Right here, pullback sell, also known as a bear pullback. Here's a written description of it, and here is a picture of it where it comes down and then it runs all the way back up here, and as it starts to roll back down, it's a bearish formation. Oh, by the way, while we're here, if we take a look at some upcoming events, here on Thursday, we're going to have a candlestick reversal class. And it's going to take, about 50 minutes. That's it. If you can do it in the evening at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, or if Friday afternoon is better for you, we have one at 1 o'clock Eastern Time, or Saturday morning at 10:30 a.m. These are three possible times. If you want to go to that, just press right on here, and it's a place where you can sign up for that class. All right, back to our bear pullback. Here we go. This is what it looked like on FireEye. Pull back here, got my order set. Let's see what happened next. And it's still just sitting right here, and then bam, look at that drop. That's almost a 2% drop in one candle, and I got short right here at $29.34. Hoo-ah! All right, get my stop. I'm pulling down here just about less than 1%. Right here's my stop, and it continues to pull down. So let's pull this up so we can watch the trade. It's still dropping, Oh, and it did a little tweezer there. So now bringing my stop here to break even. Want to take all the risk out of the trade. Love it when that happens, right? It did pop up here briefly, but it's down there. This 8 EMA, will it be support, or resistance? And look at that long base here. Okay, so I'm in the money, and I'm pulling my stop down here just a little bit more by this now 20 moving average. And let's see here. Oh man, it's pulling down. All right, now it's dropping even more. So pulling my stop down around this 20 moving average again. This is taking a little bit of time, low basing, and then bam, another possible entry if you missed the first part of the short. And it's still falling. Oh boy, we better pull it up some more. And it's still falling, and now here it's starting to play around. Okay, my stop is up here with about the 20 moving average. I've got about, 3-4% in this at this point, where my stop is, and the price action is more like about 5 or 6. It could pull up above this 8 EMA just briefly, then sharply down. Here we go. Now it's just basing here at this 27.25 area. Why there? I don't know. It just is. Look at that little pierce up there. Did not stop me out. I'm keeping it a little bit tighter down here, down the 27.75 area. Now the 27.70 area, and popped up and got me out right there at 27.70 for 5.5% in 47 minutes. Hoo-ah, best trade of the day. Yep, and so what do we have here? We had a bear pullback here, and then we just managed the trade through this long low base here, and another low base, and then it was just playing around down here, and it finally popped up. What happened after that? Sure enough, it shot right back up. So good thing that we got stopped out. And I don't mind when I get stopped out for 5.5%. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. I'm going to be on vacation for the next week, so the next video will be next Wednesday. But until then, just remember that you trade safely and trade well. Bye.